guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mazindo. Hi, Buna Gasibo. Hi. I'm ready. Teacher day, so like, so most are ready. So better. Ma, and if prize, don't even say I can tell when I lang dar na mana. Hi, Bang. I'm fried. Chipurong are. No, say I should have. I should do this. Guys, then is this I'm catching by the guys.
Waiting for this day. Finally, I got this day, and this time, I think today we got a. Everybody knows 5th September is Teachers Day. We have Teachers Day in 5th September in all over India. We celebrate. So everybody knows.
So first of all, I would like to convey my heartfelt wishes to our Managing Director, Principal of JD Healthcare Science, and the staffs of JDG Group of Institution, as well as in association with all the teaching staffs of JD Senior Secondary School. And I would like to convey my heartfelt wishes to all the students, JD Group of Institution as well as JD Senior Secondary School, and all the guardians who are present here today. So today, as we all know, the world is celebrating Teachers Day to commemorate the birthday of second Vice President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So on this auspicious occasion, let us remember the quote that one book, one teacher.
So thank you so much, Ms. Asarani Dimari, attending with us in this valuable time. So thank you so much. Now I want to request Ms. Biruna Dimari. She scored 78.19 and she has also completed practical internship from Hyatt Hospital. And recently she selected in Trinian Hospital, Nogao. So thank you so much, Ms. Biruna Demari, for attending with us. Practical internship from Ayurchandra Hospital, Guwahati. Now she is taking experience in Metro Hospitals.
Thank you, Dansuram, and thank you, sir.
Jabai, đại dân nổi thằng giới. Đại thằng gì dân guys no. Sa say hi. Sa say sister and radio không trả lại giờ. थ' गाइस जों दायो थांसै प्रग्रामा जोब्बाय आरो लास्टआव मोसाबायबो ओइनो सल्लाया दिसुआ दायो थांबाय आं फाइनालि मोनफैबाय न'आव मोनफैना दसे फ्रेस लाबाय आरो फ्रेस लाबाय सरि बेनिफ्राय माने प्रग्रामाथ' जोब्बायानो थ' दिनै टिचार्स डेमोन टिचार्स डेनि गेजेरजों दिनै माने माबाबो दंमोन बिदाय मिटिं फेयारवेल बेनिफ्राय माने नार्सिं कर्सआ जोब्बायमोन नालाय बिदाय मिटिं जाबायमोन आरो माने बिदाय मिटिङा 25 आगष्टफोराव जागौमोन आरो माने टिचार्स डेआवनो लाखाबाय ओमफ्राय नोंथांमोना जुदि भिडिअखौ नायनानै मोजां मोनदोंबा लाइक शेयार कमेन्ट खालामबानो जाबाय आरो जुदि 1K साबस्क्राइब खालामनो होबानो जाबाय प्लिज आदा आब'मोन गासैखौबो बुंदों आङो ओमफ्राय प्लिज खालामबानो जाबाय ओमफ्राय सोरबाफोर चेनेलाव गोदान फैदोंबा अननानै साबस्क्राइब खालाम आरो लोगोसे जोंनि गिकेना एसेबां मोजां जासिदे गाइस माने जों प्रेक्टिस खालामनाया साननैफोरसो जादों आरो मोसानायाबोथ' आंनिया एसे मिस्टेक जादों गाइस थ' दिनै सारि गाननांगौ दिनै सारि फार्स्ट टाइम गानदोंमोन आङो थ' नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ मोजां मोनदोंब्ला लाइक खालामबानो जाबाय अके बाय बाय गाइस नेक्स्ट भिडिअ थाबैनो लोगो हमनो नाजानोसै स्टे सेफ लाभ इउ अल बाय